Hey guys, Jen here, bringing you another video to help you make money and live your best life. Make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe if you like to hear and see more content like this. All right, in this video, we're going to be going over the 5 best high-paying surveys for you. You might be wondering why surveys? Well, surveys are a great way to make extra money. It's super easy to do. Anybody can do it. It's flexible. You can work from the comfort of your couch. So let's go over 5 of the best high-paying surveys. The first one is Survey Savvy, and let's head over to their website so you can take a look. Survey Savvy is great because not only do they have a very low payout threshold of just $1, they offer some of the highest paying surveys I have seen, some at $50 or $80 a pop. It's free to join, and you're going to love the easy navigation and the ability to make an almost limitless amount of money with Survey Savvy. These guys are one of my favorites. Next, we have Vendale. Vendale Research at Vendale.com offers high-paying surveys. I get about $10 to $20 of survey offers per day, which would equal about $300 to $500 in income per month just from this one company. You get a $1 sign-up bonus, and they pay you out twice a month, and they have some flexible payout options as well. Number 3 is a company called User Testing. No, that's not right. It's actually userinterviews.com. Okay, so userinterviews.com, I've gone through this company a couple times. They offer really high paying surveys, starting at $40 all the way up to $400 is the highest one I've seen. You sign up to be a panelist, and these surveys are a little bit more involved. It's definitely different than Vendale and Survey Savvy that we just saw. With user interviews, you're going to be going through an interview. So you'll talk to a person either on the phone or doing a web interview, answering questions. These take a little bit longer, usually 30 minutes to an hour. Some of the more high paying ones can take up to 90 minutes or span over a couple days, like 60 minutes for 3 days, for example. So this is the company here, and you can sign up and join to see what surveys are available. Number 4 is Inbox Dollars at inboxdollars.com. This is a really cool survey site. Upon sign up, you get a $5 bonus, and there are lots of different ways for you to earn money: doing surveys, playing games, watching TV, doing offers, search videos. This site is really multifaceted. You're going to love it because there is lots to do and lots of different ways to earn. I mean, look at these offers here. Earn $100, earn $10, earn $3, earn $60. Really cool opportunities for you. And this is Inbox Dollars. Okay, lastly, we have number 5. Swagbucks. So Swagbucks is a really awesome high-paying survey opportunity. You can join for free and you get a $10 bonus just for signing up. They are kind of similar to Inbox Dollars. There are a lot of different ways that you can earn with Swagbucks, including playing games and watching video, listening to music, taking survey offers, things like that. You get paid to share your opinion. You can earn cash or rewards and gift cards. There are lots of different options. You can see how much they've paid their members over the years, and that is Swagbucks. Okay, so those are the 5 companies that offer the best high-paying surveys. To recap, that was Survey Savvy, Vendale Research, User Interviews, Inbox Dollars, and Swagbucks. I'll leave all the links down below in the description box. And that wraps up this video. Jen signing off. Till next time. Bye-bye.